Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Tazo TV, man, back at y'all again, another video. Today I am traveling to a restaurant. Actually, excuse me, it's a food truck. It's a food truck that's local. It's probably about a 45-minute drive from where I'm, from the city I'm in. The food looks good. It's a black woman, she owns it. She's been popping. A lot of people know about it. A lot of people been buying her food, man. I'ma try it for the first time, live on camera. I'm looking to get the stuffed salmon with crab meat and shrimp. I'm gonna get a side of macaroni and cheese, cabbage, and maybe some seafood salad, man. It's gonna be good. Y'all stay tuned, y'all stay ready. I'm gonna show y'all what's going on, alright? Peace. Alright, got the stuffed salmon with the mac and cheese, seafood salad. The stuffed salmon got crab, shrimp. The mac and cheese, regular mac and cheese with the seafood salad with crab and shrimp. That's it right there, y'all. This shit looks so good, I'm not gonna lie to you. This shit looks so good. She out here in Hopewell, Virginia. Right at the Marathon gas station. So I'm gonna grab my fork. I'm gonna give a few bites of this, let y'all know what it tastes like. And damn man, just look at this shit, yo. I don't even wanna eat it yet, I just wanna look at it. Look at that. Plenty shrimp, plenty crab. Yeah, yo. The salmon is underneath all that. Alright, so we're gonna try it live on camera, right? I'm gonna try shrimp first. Shrimp got that, you can tell it got some Old Bay butter. Right, okay, let's try some of the salmon, stuffed salmon. Oh, we got rice underneath too, white rice. It's not that hot. That's kind of upsetting right there. I don't want to say it's cold, but it's damn sure ain't hot. Damn, shorty. The shrimp hot, but maybe the rice was just whatever. I don't know. I'm gonna try some of the macaroni. The salmon pretty good with the white rice. Damn, I just wish it was hot though. Whatever. Let's try the macaroni and cheese. That's the mac and cheese right there. Mac and cheese real good, real cheesy. I'm liking that. Let's try another shrimp. Boom. The shrimp is good. Well seasoned, not over seasoned. The salmon's pretty good. I think it's the white rice that's somewhat kind of lukewarm or whatever, yo. It's not hot. Yeah, it's the rice. Alright, I'm gonna try the seafood salad now. I know that's got to be cold because it's, it's always served cold. Yeah, that's pretty good right there. Everything's pretty good. Everything's well seasoned. The only thing that's upset about this is this shit is cold, man. The rice is cold. It is what it is, though. Well, I'm gonna finish eating in peace. I appreciate y'all for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. I'm out.